This is Jane with Green Side Up. I need you folks' help. If you have any requests for video topics, please leave them in the comment section below on this video. We're always looking for ideas of things that you will find useful. So please help us out. As I said, just leave a comment in the comment section below. Today we are going to be talking about easy to take care of houseplants. I have customers that come in and often they say, this is the first time I'm buying a plant. What is something very, very simple for me to take care of? I can't kill it. I just can't kill it. That would just wreck me my day. All right, so we're going to talk about some houseplants. Oh, and I will tell you that even if you think you have a houseplant you can't kill, it is still possible. Don't let it wreck your day. It'll be okay. So the houseplants that we're going to talk about today, as I said, are simple to take care of. I will tell you that some of the plants on this easy to take care of list are not on that list of pet friendly. There are a few. We do have a sheet in the greenhouse. You can come in and look and see which plants are on both lists. That would be the plant that you would need to get. All right, so we're going to get started. One of the most easy plants to take care of is Pothos. And this is one that I will often recommend to beginners. It's easy to grow, it's beautiful, it grows nice. As you see, it vines down, so it makes you feel like, I don't know, just give you that feeling. It gives you that feeling of success. Pothos are very easy, they need bright light, you water them once a week. Simple, simple. Spider plants make the list as easy to grow. Oh, and they are also very pet friendly. Spider plants throw off these little babies that will grow into new spider plants. You water them about once a week. They are just beautiful in your decor there at home. Spider plants are safe if your cats or dogs chew on them. So this is a very simple, easy plant and pet friendly that you could grow in your house. The plant that I have in my hand now is called a snake plant. It is a type of succulent. As remember, cactus are succulents, but not all succulents are cactus, like this one. This is also known as snake plant or mother-in-law's tongue. This beauty is a variegated one. They also come just plain green and then all different kinds of variegation. Some of the snake plants grow tall like this one. Some are going to be more what's called a bird's nest type, and it's going to be just a shorter variety. They will have a flower, but it's really a homely flower. I would not buy a snake plant for its flower. Snake plants, because they are a succulent, don't need to be watered very often. They can handle low light. They are, however, toxic to animals. This plant is a ZZ plant. I know it has a long name and it has a couple Z's in it. We're just going to refer to it as a ZZ plant. The ZZ plant is also a very easy plant to grow, and it is also one that is toxic to animals. The ZZ plant is also a succulent, so again, you do not water it too often. It also can handle lower light. This particular ZZ plant is known as Raven. As you see, it's a very black-leafed one. They do come in green-leafed also, the ZZ plant. This plant is Tradescantia, also goes by some other names. It is a hanging plant, so we have it in a hanging basket. They're easy to grow. You can put them outside during the summertime. Of course, you can put a lot of plants outside during the summertime in indirect light, and then bring it in the winter. It can handle bright indirect light in your house. They are toxic to pets. Sorry, folks. But it is an easy starter plant if you would like one like this. I have in my hand some Lucky Bamboo. Now they actually just come as single stalks like this. These are so simple for a beginner. You buy it, take it home, stick it in water. That's it. You stick it in water. It does need some bright indirect light, and it will just keep on growing. See the little roots at the bottom? Lucky Bamboo. I guess you'll have to try them to see if you really think they are lucky. I don't know. Anyway, we do have them here at our store, and they are easy to grow. I hope this video has been helpful for you who are beginners. And you know what? These are beautiful plants, so whether you have lots of plants at your house or just a few, all of them will work great in your home too. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them at the bottom of the video. And as I said, we do have a list of easy to take care of plants here in the greenhouse, so you can always stop by or just ask one of us here in the greenhouse. This is Jane with Green Side Up, wishing you a very good day.